Hello babes, welcome back. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reese. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and turning on your post notifications. As you can see, I'm rocking a burgundy hair color. This hair is brought to you by Unice Hair Company. So of course, I'm gonna show you what's inside the box, how I customize this unit, and a full install tutorial. So if that's something you're interested in, then keep on watching. Bye.
Lisa, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
So in this box, I received a wig bag, a wig cap, some eyelashes, a comb, and some earrings. This unit is a 24-inch 99j straight 13x4 lace unit. She is pre-plucked with adjustable straps and combs at 150% density. So I tried to bleach these knots, but they did not lift because it is an already colored unit. So definitely skip this step. Here I'm going to pluck this unit. The hairline says it's pre-plucked, but the hairline was still thick. Even though it's 150% density, it feels more thicker. So I did go in and pluck a lot of hair off, and it still looks thick on the hairline. So definitely have some patience when plucking your colored units, especially if it's a 99j burgundy unit, because they come with very thick knots. So after I finished plucking, I went in with my concealer and just applied the concealer all throughout the frontal and also the hairline. I did end up straightening this unit because I did want a nice bone straight side part. So here I'm just doing the chase method with my flat iron and just do that all the way through the unit. So as you can see, the hairline is still pretty thick even after plucking a lot of the hair off. So don't be afraid to pluck a little bit more, just because, you know, the knots are still going to be very thick since it is a colored unit and the knots didn't lift. So it leaves room for a more thicker hairline, if that makes sense. But if you're, you know, an OG on my channel, you already know how I install my units. If you're new, definitely check out my 2021 version if you want a detailed talk through of how I install my units. But on this channel, I like to play some vibey music, and I found another song for y'all. So I'm gonna stop talking and let y'all vibe out while I install this unit.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know.
I hope you guys enjoyed that song while I installed this unit. It looks like I'm still installing this unit even after the song has ended, so very short song. But here I'm using my wig dealer spray. You guys, guess what? I'm out here creating my own hairline, like wig care products, so stay tuned for that. Definitely sign up for my email newsletter, because I'm gonna be dropping some new items for y'all. I'm super excited, trying to expand, my business and all that. So, if you want to support your girl, holla back at me, comment down what you would like to see. But here I'm using some concealer because the knots did not lift, so we're gonna have to finesse this wig and add some concealer to the part. But I only used some spray to hold down this unit. I did not use no glue whatsoever, and this hair, usually when I do this method, it lasts maybe 3 or 4 days if you avoid water. So this is perfect for people who don't want to use any harsh glues and pull out their edges or something. So yeah, here I'm plucking some more of this baby hairs because this hairline is thick, y'all. So gotta add some of my magic to this unit so it can look very natural. So don't be afraid to pluck some more and thin out your areas and see how it's gonna look. And then here I'm just going to press out my baby hairs, and then I cut them, and then I curl them with my pencil curling iron. Ooh, I'm going to have like a custom pencil curling iron that I'm gonna sell. Y'all, I'm so excited. Let me know down below if you are as excited as me, because I'm excited to drop some products down, okay? You guys been seeing me for years using other people's products. It's time for me to use my own, okay? But yeah, this is basically it. Here I'm adding some mousse. I haven't been using mousse lately, so this is like a new technique. So I'm adding some mousse. It just like makes the baby hairs more slick down a little bit more and last longer. So I'm gonna be adding this to like more of my routines and probably do like a 2022 very detailed wig installation video, because you know it's the new year and we like to add new, you know, techniques to our wig installs. And yeah, don't be afraid to, you know, trim a little bit more for your edges. I just love my baby hairs. I just love them so much. It looks so good. So here I'm finishing off with some shine mist. I like to put this on every one of my units, especially my straight haired units, to just add some glossiness. Like I just, you know, came out of the salon, I got a fresh silk press. It just gives that, like, you know, that oomph to it. But that is basically it. Super simple hairstyle and super cute. I just wanted to try this hairstyle on this color. Thank you so much, Unice Hair Company, for letting me try out this gorgeous unit. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Multiplying, I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the